Hi everybody, welcome to Lulu La Vida. Today I have a very easy and delicious recipe for a really honey baked ham. So here we go. Here's our ham, simple. We're gonna have a can of pineapple chunks and we're gonna have brown sugar. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our syrup going. So we go ahead and drain out the pineapple juice and we're going to add a couple of tablespoons, about 4 or 5 depending on the consistency. This is what we're looking for, like a little syrupy. We keep mixing it to dissolve the sugar and we're going to incorporate that into our ham. We're going to have the oven at 350 so it could be already at temperature. We cover it up with plenty of foil, and then we do a pan underneath, a cooking sheet. We put our for about 2 hours, and then we'll glaze it and we add our pineapples. Look at this. Doesn't it look delicious? Well, if you like it, give me a like, give me a comment, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.